Before using the third row seats, ensure that the load space cover has been removed. To raise the seat, pull and release the switch. Alternatively, to raise the seat from inside the vehicle, press and release the switch. When the seat is raised, manually lift the head restraint into position. To access the third row seats, press the switch on the top of the seat to fold the seat back into the tilt position and manually slide the seat base forward. To return the seat, manually slide the seat into the fully rearward position. The seat back will automatically return to the upright position. If the seat is not moved to the fully rearward position, press the switch to return the seat back to the upright position. For comfort, the second row seats can be moved forward. Pull the lever at the front of the seat and slide the seat into the required position. The second and third row seats can be folded or raised using the switches located inside the load space, or by using the touchscreen. You can also configure the seats using the In Control Remote Premium smartphone app, if you have purchased this option. The second or third row seat switch will fully fold the chosen seat. Pulling a second row or third row seat switch fully raises the chosen seat. When the seat is raised, manually lift the head restraint into position. To fold or unfold all second and third row seats, press the Fold All switch located in the load space. To fold or raise the rear seats using the touchscreen, touch the Seats icon on the home screen, followed by the Seat Fold icon. Select the seats to be folded or raised and touch the Fold or Unfold All icon. To fold a head restraint, touch the head restraint drop icon. Select the head restraint to be folded or raised. Next, touch the Drop All icon. It is not possible to raise a head restraint remotely. If you have purchased the Land Rover In Control Remote smartphone app, you can also configure the seats remotely using the app. There is a demonstration within the app which will show you how to use this feature. The Remote Seats app can only be operated if the vehicle is locked. For further information, please visit www.landrover.com and search for the In Control website. For further information about this feature, or any other feature, please refer to your owner's handbook. For help or assistance, please contact your Jaguar Land Rover retailer, who will be more than happy to assist you.